Struggling to get your team to notice a critical task? I get it. You know something needs to move up the priority list, but you're not sure how to signal that in Jira. Learn how to add a vote to any issue and make your voice heard instantly. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly where to click to vote on any Jira task. Let's dive in. Start by logging into your Jira account. Go ahead and pull that up. You'll land on your dashboard, and this is where we begin. Now, the first thing you need is to be inside the right project, so look over at the left sidebar. That's your navigation menu. Find the project that contains the task you care about. It might be listed under Recent, or you might need to click View All Projects if you don't see it right away. Once you spot it, just click on the project name. All right, so now you're inside your project. You should be looking at your board or your backlog. Scan through the list of issues and find the specific task you want to vote on. Maybe it's a bug that's affecting your workflow or a feature request you really need. When you see it, click on that issue to open it up. This will pull up the issue detail view on the right side of your screen. And here's the thing, you don't need any special permissions to do this. If you can see the issue, you can vote on it. Now, once the issue is open, look over to the right panel. This is where you see all the details about the task, like the description, the assignee, and the status. Right there in the top right corner of that panel, you'll see a small icon with 3 dots. It's a More menu. Click on that. So the drop-down menu appears, and you're looking for the option that says Add Vote. Go ahead and click that one. Jira doesn't make you confirm or anything. It's a one-click action. You should see a quick change right away. The vote count will update right there at the top of the issue, and you might even see a little visual indicator showing the number went up. In my experience testing this across different Jira setups, it's always been that immediate. No waiting, no loading spinners, and your vote is now counted. The number next to the thumbs up icon, or however your instance displays it, has increased by 1. You've just made your preference known to the team. It's a clean, simple way to say, this matters to me. Now, if you change your mind later, maybe the priority shifts or the task gets addressed, you can remove your vote just as easily. Follow the exact same steps. Open the issue, click that same 3-dot menu, and now the option will say Remove Vote instead. Click it, and your vote is gone. The count drops back down. It's that reversible, which is nice because it gives you flexibility. And if you want to double-check that everything worked, just take another look at the vote count. It should have changed by 1 from what it was before. If you were the only voter, it might show a single vote now. If you removed it, it might be back to 0. Either way, you've confirmed success. So that's it. You now know how to add a vote to any task in Jira. It takes just a few seconds, and it's a great way to influence priorities without having to argue in comments or chase people down in meetings. Try it out on your next project, and you'll see how satisfying it is to put that little stamp of approval on the things that really need attention.